In this video, we'll show you how to use your Facebook or Meta pixel with your Zenfolio website. The Facebook or Meta pixel is a powerful analytics tool that can be added to your website to understand how visitors are interacting with it. This information can help you better influence who will see your Facebook ad campaigns to make them more effective. In order to use Facebook or Meta pixel with your Zenfolio website, you'll only need to provide your unique pixel ID, and Zenfolio will take care of the rest of it for you. However, you're first going to need to make sure that you set up the pixel before adding it to your website. This process can be broken down into three main steps. First is to create the actual pixel. The second is to obtain the pixel ID. And the third is to add that pixel ID to your Zenfolio dashboard. To get started, we'll first want to create the pixel. To do this, you'll want to head to the Facebook Meta Ads Manager at facebook.com/ads manager. Once there, log into your Facebook account. From the dashboard, click the hamburger menu icon and click Events Manager. Here, click on the green circle icon, connect the data source. In the pop-up window, choose the web option and then click Connect. Enter a name for your pixel and then click Create Pixel. For this next step, if you've already created a pixel for a website URL, please understand that you may not be able to create a new one using that same URL due to the way that Facebook Meta handles data sources, pixels, and events. Unfortunately, a lot of the time, Facebook Meta requires that properties attached to these must be unique. In the Enter Website URL field, type in your website URL and click Check. Your URL will be formatted differently depending on if you're using a custom domain or a Zenfolio URL. If using a custom domain, be sure to enter https:// before your custom domain. If using a Zenfolio URL, you do not need to include the www in front of it. Simply copy over the Zenfolio URL as it is in your account settings. Once you've entered your URL into the field, click Check. And once the green check mark shows up in the field, click Next. Once you click Next, a new pop-up window will appear asking you to choose how to connect your website to Facebook Pixel. Here, you'll want to choose Meta Pixel Only. Then click Next to proceed. Once you proceed, you'll be taken back to the Events Overview page. It's sometimes necessary to reload this page to show the new pixel. Once the pixel is ready, it'll show up on the right side of the Events Manager Overview page, and underneath it, you'll see an ID number. Click and drag on this ID number to highlight it, and then press Command-C on Mac or Control-C on PC to copy it to your clipboard. Next, return to your Zenfolio account, log in, and from the dashboard, click on the Website button in the left toolbar. Click the third icon at the top to head to the Site Settings section. Here, under Tracking and Analytics, locate the Facebook Pixel section, and in the field underneath, click your mouse and press Command-V on Mac or Control-V on PC to paste the code that you copied in the previous steps into this field. Last, you'll want to make sure that you publish your website again so that your Facebook pixel now shows up on your live site. Once your pixel ID has been added to your Zenfolio site and you've published it, you should begin seeing information come into the dashboard within 24 to 48 hours through your Facebook account in the Events Overview Manager. For further assistance, please contact our helpful support team at support@zenfolio.com or visit our support center for more information.